Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. I have this going at 2.5 times the speed and I'm voicing over and I'm just mapping in kitty shapes. And this is the same kitty that I did yesterday, just a slightly different pose. Same sleeping kitty. Just want to keep general shapes and smoothly flowing fluid lines. And this is kind of one of those fat-faced cats. Maybe a British blue or something. Start darkening up some lines that I like. I just want to capture the look of that one arm being folded over the other one. Yeah, I feel like I mucked that ear up a bit. Too much. Less is more. I like kind of nice quick lines for features because I kind of get character in there really well that way. I like that. I'd love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing and I'll do my best to help. Or just tell me about yourself or where you are in the world, or tell me about your cat. Sleeping cats are wonderful to draw, and if you get a chance, draw your kitty from life too. And especially if they're sleeping, it gives you a bit of a chance while they stay still for a little bit anyways. And if they move, then just move on to the next pose. You learn so much drawing from life. Let's add a bit of a smirk in there. Just want to take it easy on the lines on the face, just enough for expression, but not enough to be distracting away from the important parts, like the little character smirk and things like that. You got to ask yourself, what is your drawing about? I'm going faster here now too. I sped up a few seconds ago. It's 4 times the speed here, so I'm zipping through the end of this drawing. Add some whiskers. I kind of want to keep it looking like that one side they're kind of squished. The whiskers are kind of squished under the paw. So I just look for things like that of interest to make the drawing interesting. Thanks so much for watching.